Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's tutorial, we'll be diving into the powerful world of Photoshop and exploring one of the fundamental tools, the eraser tools. And whether you are a beginner or an experienced user, understanding the ins and outs of an eraser tools can significantly enhance your editing skill. So let's get started. Okay, the tools is in Photoshop is a versatile and essential tools for removing parts of an image, creating precision marks for fine-tuning your network. And it's not just about deleting, it's about control and precisions. Okay, so before we jump into the practical example, let's take a quick look at the eraser tools interface. Okay, so you can find it in the toolbar on the left hand side or and your screen. Make sure to select the eraser, and you can also use the shortcut keyword as like we can use the E for the eraser. Okay, so first we will use the basics, and let's talk about the basics. And you can just adjust the brush size, or you can use the hardness and using the options at the top toolbars. Okay, so if I use this one as the erasers, and you can change the sizes of brushes, and you can see, and here you can use it, like you can also change the hardness if you want to use. And here we got it, and you can change the colors, like I can just use this colors, and you can get this is the different one. Okay, so before that I'll make it a duplicate, Control+J for duplicating the layers, and I want to work with the duplicate one. Okay, so when I come over, and you can change also the eraser options, like instead of the hard round, and you can just change it this one as the different one. Like you can see, before that I'll just increase this one. Now you can see, or I'll just change a little bit also the brush size, and you can also see that it has now the different one. Okay, so is the way, and you can easily use here your eraser and there. Okay, you can change also the round shapes, you can change also the opposites if you want to use. For example, I can just use this opposites, and you can change this one for more. On the flow, you can change it as this one as a different one. Okay, so this way you can change it, and also you can use it for more interactive work, such as removing unwanted details or refining aids. The eraser 2 offers pressure, and you can work in there. Okay, so that's a wrap up on our today's tutorial guide to master the eraser tool in Photoshop. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment and discover your MX editing style. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.